In this lesson you will be learning about how to generate an internal order using Entution Inventory and Warehousing solution. Let us get started. Once you have logged into the Entution Inventory and Warehousing solution, you can find the internal order tile located on the home page. By clicking on it, you will be taken to the new internal order form. As the first step, we shall enter a title for this transaction. By default, the preparer will be the user who is creating the internal order. Now you may select an internal order group. You also have the option to create multiple internal order groups, so that you can tag your internal orders to the relevant group when necessary. Then you could specify a particular location to which the requested goods be delivered. Also, if there is a reference number for the particular transaction, you could mention that too. Good. Now let us proceed to enter the order information, starting with the order date. By default, the order date will be the present date, but you could also enter a past date by simply using the calendar. You could also enter an internal order reason if necessary. Next we shall select a requester for this transaction. This is the person who has requested for the items. We shall use the employee lookup option to search and select the employee who requested these items. Once you have filled out other necessary information, we shall proceed to select the requested items and the quantities from the product section. Select a product, either by typing in the product code, or by selecting the product from the drop-down list that appears as you type in the product name. Also, make sure to update the quantity of products requested, then hit enter. In case you need to add more than one product to the product list, you may do so by repeating the same search process and entering the relevant values. Once all fields have been accurately entered, you can proceed to draft the form. Furthermore, you could always use the edit button to make any changes. If there are no more changes that need to be made, proceed to release. Perfect. Now you know how to generate an internal order using Entution Inventory and Warehousing solution. Once the internal order is released, a task will be created, and the relevant user responsible for dispatching these items will be notified. In the next lesson we will be learning about how to generate an internal dispatch order using Entution Inventory and Warehousing solution.